My name is Yuting Duan. I come from China and I'm a current international student at Skyline College. My major is computer science. This is my second year here. This fall, I will transfer to UC San Diego. My academic goal of the next step is to gain my bachelor degree and find a relevant job of the computer science major. The most part I like this major is because I can always get very quick, very fast feedback as you click the wrong button, even though sometimes there might some errors, but I can fix that, and that gives me outcome of success. This semester, I'm doing an internship called NEXO Experiment. There are two pieces of this internship. One part is at Skyline College Fab Lab, where I design and implement the devices to visualize the particles with peers. Another part is I got the mentorship from Stanford University's National Lab. I work with my mentors to develop the algorithm which to simulate the diffusion limited aggregation process and explore the physical experiment behind that. First, if you really want to gain the experience, then pursue them. Talk with that professor, speak up in the classroom, join that club. And the last pieces I want to say is learn to cook. That's how you get your authentic home food. The best part of Skyline College for me is the community, since we are a relevantly small campus, so people here are really close to each other. And all the place like a community that allows you to develop your leadership and build your extracurriculums. That's the best part at Skyline College.